project, binary puzzle. What is the project about? So it's basically a binary puzzle, and when pressed to a certain sequence, the puzzle is solved. The peripherals used is GIPO and interrupts. And what components are used is 5 LEDs, 4 red and 1 yellow, 6 resistors, 1 KO, 2 push buttons. What is my reason for choosing this project? Okay, I decided to go with this project because it can give people a sense of problem solving skills and like understand how binary works better in sequence. So this is my circuit. Then this is my schematic for the circuit from Tinkercad. And this is my flow chart. So when one button, like button 1 is pressed, the red LED starts lighting up or down in a binary sequence. So the LED lights up or down. So it moves in a binary sequence. So 1, 2, 3 in decimal, it will be shown in binary 2 like by the LED. And then when button 2 is pressed, red LEDs will start lighting up or down when the binary sequence is moving downwards. So from 3 to 1, then red LEDs will light up or down depending on the things. And then when the LEDs reach a certain sequence, the yellow LED lights up, indicating it is the end and that they have solved the puzzle. So how does the code work? So this is the initialization of necessary registers. And then after like initializing main, line 40, so setting the data direction registers to 1, stating that it's like output. And then DB1 and DB2 stating them as like clearing them as 2 zeros, stating that they are input. And then line 44, setting all the bits to 1 by using the hexadecimal, indicating that they're all output. This is for the red LEDs that we will use later in the code. Then line 55 is the starting of the serial monitor, so we're able to see our readings later. Then line 47 to 49 is the initialization of the interrupt pins, the buttons that we'll be using to direct the LED pins, the binary sequence. And then line 53 enables global interrupt. Okay, and then this is the first half of the code, the initialization of count, line 1. And then line 2 is the interrupt service routine, so when the button is pressed. So line 5 to 10 is carried out when button 1 is low. It increments count and then updates the values to port C, which is connected to LED and prints the current count to the serial monitor. If count reaches 16, it is reset to 0. Line 15 to 20, the block is executed when there is a pin change on PV1, so button 2. So if button 2 is low, it decrements count, updates the value on port C, and then prints the current count into the serial monitor. Line 22 to 25, this checks if PC2 and PC1. So in this case, these LEDs, like these 2 pins where the LED is connected, is what we are looking for, what the LED, that those 2 LEDs have to be on simultaneously for the yellow LED to turn on. So this is, and then it will turn on the yellow LED. And then this is the link to the Tinkercad simulation, which is here. So start simulation. So you can see if I press, it moves in a binary sequence. So, and then if in the serial monitor, you can see that it's like increasing. But then if I press the other button, it is decreasing. So we need a certain sequence to find out which, so pin, the first LED and third LED must be on. So like trying to find it. Right there. So first and second. So this indicates that the puzzle has been solved. That is for my project. Thank you.